The Justice Department says it has uncovered a healthcare fraud scheme that could have siphoned $1.4 billion in government money.
2 people in Southern California are facing charges in the case, accused of handing out fake COVID tests. News 8's LaMonica Peters talked with the U.S. attorney prosecuting the case, who now has a warning for you.
A married couple running their own clinic say they were just trying to help when they provided COVID-19 testing. But the judge says they intentionally misled people and coronavirus testing never happened.
In May of 2021, the department announced a historic nationwide action against COVID-19 healthcare fraud. And just a few short months later, we are now announcing another round of prosecutions.
After a 6-week nationwide federal operation, criminal charges were filed against 138 people in 31 federal districts across the country, including the Southern District of California based in San Diego. Roselia Kubek and Rosario Gonzalez pleaded guilty this month for falsely claiming to provide COVID-19 testing last year. Prosecutors say they went door to door at senior complexes in El Centro and Calexico, California.
It was a general respiratory pathogens panel, which tested for a whole variety of pathogens, but actually did not include COVID-19.
Chu says the couple was trying to get new patients for a specialty health center, the clinic they just opened. She says they also took urine samples from people without telling them it had nothing to do with coronavirus testing.
They would submit these to laboratories with requisition forms indicating that they were needed because the person had acute respiratory distress or that kind of thing. All the while, any result wouldn't have necessarily tested for COVID-19.
The U.S. Attorney's Office says it was tipped off by a property manager at one of the senior home complexes. Now Chu wants people to beware of healthcare scammers, especially seniors and people with disabilities who have Medicare and Medi-Cal.
Trust in your primary care physician. That is the person who knows your history, who knows the conditions that you have. When they make a recommendation, typically, they're looking out for you and your best interest.
Both Kubek and Gonzalez faced a Class A misdemeanor charge. They were given 3 years probation in order to pay over $14,000 in restitution.